Hello, welcome, and thanks for clicking on this video. This first one is just getting the server files downloaded and configured, and then we start programming in later videos. And the first stage in making a SAMP server is to go onto the SAMP website and go onto the downloads page and download the Windows server. That download is a zip file. Drag that to your desktop, extract it, and then open up the folder that it extracts, and it should look a bit like this. So edit that, right click server.cfg and edit that, and bring it open it up in a notepad. And in here there's going to be a few things we've got to change. The first thing is this Archon password. So it says here change me because it's a mandatory thing, you have to change it. So I'm just going to change this to Beatles, and the second thing I'm going to change is the host name. This is just the name of the server. So this server is amazing. And also I'm going to take off these here. Now this line is for filter scripts, and a filter script is just a script that's been written by someone else, and you can download it from like the SAMP forums and just add it into your script really quickly. We'll use it for things like, well, on here you've got like a property system, so like a housing filter script, or vspawner, so that's like a command I'm guessing to spawn vehicles, so you can just add that to your script. And ls mall, ls beachside are probably like maps that you can add to your script with filter scripts. But yeah, I'm going to get rid of them. And then the other thing to worry about is this ground lark here. So if we go back to our folder here, open up game mode, and you've got two files called ground lark, one with a .pwn type and one with a .amx type. And the .pwn is the script file that we're going to edit in a bit, and the AMX is what you compile it into. So when you write your code, you compile it and it turns into an AMX. And this, you probably already guessed it, relates to the name of your script. So when we do come to make a script, actually we might as well do that now. Come back to your root folder, go into this porno folder and open up porno.exe and run it as administrator. Create a new script and just save that. Go up one into the game mode folder and name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it PCN. Up here there's a compile button to the left of the blue arrow. Click on the compile button and it should just look like that. One little line saying import compiler. Close that. Let's go back to that game mode folder. Yep, pcn.pwn and pcn.amx. So it's compiled successfully. And if it doesn't compile, then it means there will be no AMX file. Also, if I go into this PWN right now and I make a change to the code and I compile it and it says there's an error in the code, it will delete the AMX. So if there's an AMX there, that means yeah, you're good to go. I'm going to change that ground lark to PCN. Save that, exit that, go back to your root folder, right click sampserver.exe and run as administrator. And boom. Okay, so I don't actually have SAMP on this computer, or GGA, San Andreas, so if you want to go onto I'm going to have to install that now, but to go onto your server you just have to add it to your favourites and just type :7777 or whatever your port says right here. You don't have to type the IP address, you just have to type then the 4 ports, and then you can connect and all your activity on the server will be logged right here. Try to get that server running, and if it doesn't run for whatever reason, then a server log will be generated into your server directory root folder. Just copy and paste that into a paste bin, so go to pastebin.com and put it into there, and just write a comment on this video and myself or someone else can help out with that. And give the video a like.